That's a nice creek bass. Hey there, welcome to Hoosierback Outdoors. It is so great to see you. Well, see you. It's great that you stopped by. Today we got two things on the agenda. We got a couple hours to accomplish them. First off, we're gonna head down in these woods and find some mushrooms. Well, hopefully find some mushrooms, probably for the last time this year that there'll be any mushrooms up. But we're gonna go take a look and see if there is any. Then we're gonna stop at a little creek on our way home to see if we can catch a few fish. If you like this kind of stuff, reach down, hit that subscribe button for us. It would be much appreciated and you'll really enjoy it. Thanks so much for stopping by again. We're gonna head into the woods right now. I gotta climb down this pretty steep bank. Last time I came down here, of course, I only found one. I did film, but there wasn't enough content there to really make anything. Last time I forgot to bring my GoPro and my chest mount, and I had to lug the big camera around down here. Today I remembered the GoPro. This bottom down here is full of red elm, and that's usually a good indicator of where mushrooms will be found. I get kind of nervous because I'm afraid I'll step on one. That has happened before. Alright, now we're down here safely. Okay, let's find some mushrooms. Well, none in that spot. None that I've seen anyway. So we're gonna go check maybe one or two more spots. If we don't find any, we're gonna go fishing. Well, still haven't had any luck. Try this spot over here and see if we can find anything. There usually is a few yellows that I can find over here, and if you know anything about yellow mushrooms, they get pretty big, so you get 3 or 4 big chunks of meat off of one that you can fry up in some butter. Well, folks, we didn't come across anything. I'm afraid we may be a tad bit late. Well, we can always go fishing. Am I right? Let's go see if we can catch anything out of the creek. I'll see you at the creek. Missed it. It's right there. All right, there's a bite. Bite. Bites, but no action yet. Can't get them hooked. There's one. There's one. Yeah. Look how pretty these fish are. Well, if I can get the hook out. Got that one pretty good, didn't you? Look at those beautiful long-eared sunfish. Wow, that is so cool. Beautiful creek fish. It's got those tropical colors. Whoop. Yep, he went back in the creek by himself. He released himself. See if we can get another one. A lot of little bites. There's one. Oh, that's a bass. That's a largie, I believe. Yep. Is that a largemouth? And I just dropped my pole in the water. Oh, I'm a dork. My line's all tangled up, of course. Oh well. Set this over here out of the way. Look at here. Looks like a largemouth. Reason is the jawline. The jawline and the solid stripe back here. Let's check for a toothy patch. No toothy patch. Little largemouth on the jig. Let's do it again. There's some nice largemouth in here. I'll probably find them if I threw a bass bait. This water's really clear. And I'm flinging water probably on my camera. Tons of little bites. There's a fish on. Yay! I believe it's a bluegill. It is. On the trout magnet. Bluegill on the trout magnet. Nice little bluegill. That'll work. Well, that's 3 species and 3 catches. See what else is in here. There's one. Is this a 4th different species? I believe it is. Wow. That is really cool. Really cool. That is a green sunfish. Wow, that's really cool. They got the blue speckles around the eyes and they got the big mouth. Green sunfish. So cool. That is 4 species in the first 4 fish I caught. That is really cool. See if there's something else over there. There's something biting on it. I'm telling you, these little jigs work for everything, as you can tell. That's the timer on my GoPro camera says 8 minutes and 52 seconds, and I've already caught 4 fish, 4 different species. That is insane. They are just nibbling on it down there. Okay, as you can see, I've thrown a Ned rig on here, a little black with blue flake. We'll see if these bass want any of this. Golly. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. That's a nice creek bass. Get up here. Get up here. Yeah, baby. I was about to change colors. That dude hit it. Wow. I'm gonna have to do surgery. These are handy. If you don't have any of these in your tackle bag, get them. That's your tip for the day. Got it. Now I want you to see something. Check out this bass mouth. See that little curl out there? It's like pointed, really pointed. He's had something's happened to him. In fact, his tooth plate comes down here, and then there's like hardly no tooth plate over here. Strange looking bass, but hey, I'll take it. Nice little creek fish. That's really cool. Let's put him back. Wow. That is so much fun. I didn't think he was on there, and when I went to twitch it again, it was like there was no weight there or anything, and I think he'd picked it up and brought it toward me, put slack in my line. Wow, that's cool. I love catching creek fish on a Ned rig. I was just about to change colors because I'd cast it a few times and hadn't gotten any results. Not even a bite, but I think I'll leave it on for a little longer. Wow, that's cool. If you like content like this, I will put 2 more videos on the screen right here. Go check those out. I'd really appreciate it. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next time. But until next time, get out there and enjoy the outdoors. See you guys later.